Welcome, and come on into the kitchen. It is officially 2022, a new year, and that puts me in the mood to clean up and clean out. New Year's always gives me the desire for a fresh, clean start. New dreams, new hopes, new adventures. This morning, I want to start cleaning out my pantry. It seems I always stock up prior to the Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays, and now it's a good time to take stock of what I have left over and start using it. So if you're interested in what I'm cooking today, come on in. As I mentioned before about cleaning out the pantry, I also need to clean out the refrigerator. Now in the fridge, I have a pound of imitation crab meat. Since this is perishable, I will use it up first. My family likes most anything pasta, so that's the direction I'm going to go today. This recipe is called creamy pasta with imitation crab. You need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium onion diced, 2 tablespoons of garlic minced, 1 pound of imitation crab meat diced, 1 16-ounce package of ROTINI pasta, 1 cup of half and half, 1/2 cup chopped green onions, 1/3 cup grated Parmesan cheese. I used 5 ounces. And I'll put the recipe in the description below. Let me start out by bringing 4 quarts of slightly salted water to a boil. Once it's to a rolling boil, we'll add the pasta. But meanwhile, I'm going to dice 1 medium yellow onion, and then I stepped out to the garden and I've got some onions planted that should be ready this spring, and I pulled some small ones for green onions. Now let's get a pan hot, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once that oil is hot, I'll then add my onions and cook over medium heat until translucent, which takes about 5 minutes. And right at the end, I'm going to add my garlic. I don't want it to burn. After that, stir in your chopped crab meat and heat that for about 2 minutes. While I'm waiting on the crab to get hot, I'm going to drain my pasta. It has cooked for about 8 minutes and it's tender but still firm. Now come back to your crab mixture and add 1 cup of half and half. I also added 1 chopped green onion from the garden. While your pasta is draining, come back to your crab sauce and mix your Parmesan cheese in. I used the whole container, which was 5 ounces, I believe, and you'll want to stir it in until it's good and melted, which takes about 2 minutes. And here's today's lunch, creamy pasta with imitation crab. Now that was an easy way to use up some perishable, leftover from the holiday items. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I would love to know how you liked it. And share in the comments below what New Year means to you. Do you feel like cleaning and clearing out? If you enjoyed watching this video, please consider subscribing because I would love for you to join me in the kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you had a very happy New Year.